This is Berkshire XLT 45A that costs a whopping $399,000. The motorhome is all about luxury on wheels, and in this video we will focus on the luxury components rather than the technical specifications. Out of many, the exterior comes fitted with a water heater and a dirt devil system, a slide-out tray for extra storage, a freezer, and a water filtration system. Press a button and a stepping ladder comes down to make your entry effortless. The interior is super spacious. You get automated shades all around the vehicle. Super comfy driver and navigator seats, couple of sofas that turns into a bed. An electric fireplace, couple of televisions, lots of cabinets for storage, a full-size refrigerator, an induction, a microwave, a dishwasher, a sink, fans, a master bedroom, 2 full washrooms, a washing machine among many others.